Now this is question 10 and it's another one about a straight line. Okay, but this time there's two lines. Now, you have to remember that these two lines are parallel, which that's not a very good illustration, but if the lines are parallel, that means they've got the same gradient. Okay, so the gradient must be the same. Okay, so the gradient's the same. So what we've got is we've got an equation of one of the lines, we've got 2 points in another, and we're asked to try and find the equation of the second line. So what we think of, and remember, y equals mx plus c. So that's the gradient. So if we work out what the gradient is for this one, we can then work out the actual equation of the second line, because we've got the other values, x and y, because we've got coordinates, and we can work out where it cuts the y-axis. So if we have a wee look at the first line, right, what we want to do is get into the form of this, y equals mx. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add y to this side because I want it to be a plus y. So that gives you 3x equals 9 plus y. So we've now got, it's maybe not in the ideal sides here, but we've now got an equation in which we've got a plus y. So I'm just going to flip that, because it's better just working with it on the left hand side. So you hopefully see that that's just the exact same, but just the other way around. So what we've got is if I subtract 9 from it, we've now got the equation in the form of y equals, so I'm going to take 9 away from this side, need to take it away from that side, so y equals 3x minus 9. So that's the first equation written in this form. So therefore, we can now say that m is equal to 3. So we then, we're just going to write this equation out again. What we can now do is, this is obviously the x and y coordinate, and we've also got m, so we've actually got a value for that, we've got a value for this, a value for that, and we can work out what c is, because that's only one unknown. Right, so I'm going to put, this is minus 3 equals, this is 3 times 5 plus c. So what we've now got is we've now got minus 3 equals 15 plus c. So to get just that in the form of c, we have to take 15 away from that side. So we have to take it away from that side as well. So we've got c, and I've just flipped it round anyway. So c equals minus 18. So that's us. We can now put this all in the form of an equation for the line. So we can now say y equals, gradient's 3, 3x, and where it cuts the y-intercept is minus 18. And that's all from us, remembering that if two lines are parallel, they've got the same gradient. And obviously we need to be able to remember this equation.